Some high-tech projects are on display in Oshkosh. The Wave robotic team is getting ready for a big competition. And Oshkosh North student Maggie Urban joins us now live along with John Branson, who is a mentor for the team. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Maggie, tell us a little bit about your team, what you have ready, and how long you've been preparing for this event.
Well, our team, we've been preparing for this for about 6 weeks. We figure out what the competition is going to be for our robot on January 8th, and then we have 6 weeks to plan what's going to be going on with our robot. And so what you're seeing now is what we've made in our 6 weeks. We actually build all of this from scratch. We find out what the competition is and then build all the parts. We actually design them all on AutoCAD Inventor, and then Metals, one of our sponsors, actually builds all the parts that you see in our robot. And we also do all the programming for our robot, and then at the competitions we're driving them, and we do everything pretty much from scratch. And
so this is what the competition is going to be about. They told you had to get these balloon type things like life preservers and then put them on those poles. Is that right?
Yes, that's what we have to do, and then you get points for putting them in the first logo, which is a red triangle, a white circle, and then the blue square. And so depending on how many logos you get on all these different pegs determines the amount of points you get for the competition.
John, can I ask you, this takes a lot of work. I mean, this is serious stuff, isn't it? Can you tell us a little bit about the competition coming up this weekend?
Sure. We're going to Milwaukee next weekend, and there'll be 51 teams there, including us. And then the game is played. It's 3-on-3 rather. 6 robots on the field at once, competing on 2 sides of the field. What you're seeing here is just a half field, and then you compete for qualifying points, and then it's a single elimination finals on Saturday to determine the winner.
And John, what have you done? What have you showed the students?
Well, this year actually I was the mentor project lead, and so I kind of facilitated all of the other mentors in getting organized, but we broke the team down into subgroups, separating out, the drive from the arm, from the pickup mechanism to the programming.
Well, it's amazing stuff, and we'll check back with you. But Maggie and John, thanks for filling us in on this cool event, and as you say, it's going on next weekend in Milwaukee. Thanks.
Thank you.
See ya.